Hi, come on in. I'm Talisa.
And I'm Rohan.
And we're excited to have you at home with us. Follow me. So this is our living room. This is where we spend the most time as a family. But you will notice there's no TV in this space. We sort of love to keep this room very casual and relaxed. It's for music, records playing, our favorite books, and we really want to cultivate that sort of moment of rest and relaxation up here. Our youngest, she's 16 months and she loves the record player, but we're finding particularly old school music. Yeah. She loves it, yeah, and she's always wanted to have a dance. When
we're styling a space, for me, it's more about the look, I think. I think the look creates the vibe, really.
I think for me, it really comes through in our love of art and objects and books and all those little bits that we've collected over the course of our relationship, through traveling, through work. I think all of those pieces layered together kind of speak to who we are as creatives. I think when it comes to styling, we're definitely very textural people. And I think particularly because we work to quite a, I guess I would say like a refined, sort of subdued palette. I mean, there's black and white, there's neutrals. We love warmth, but we tend to stay sort of within a tonal range when it comes to our home.
There's a brown dog.
Yes, the dog has to match the furniture. That was compulsory.
When you're building your room around your dog, it's important to get one that's the aesthetic color. So this is really one of the most important rooms in the house, I guess, because it's where the wind down happens for rest for both girls. When we bathe them, get them ready for bed, get their teeth done, their hair done before they go to sleep. So for that, it's really an important part of our rest rituals. When we came to selecting pieces from Sheridan for this room, we wanted to go with things that would complement the existing wood patterns that are here, like this beautiful brown, warm earthy tone that goes with the wood, goes with the stool. We also wanted to mix things up a bit to not keep it all the same color. We wanted to play with patterns like these beautiful stripes, and it was important for us to keep things layered and just have everything complementary to bring warmth to what is quite a stark space.
If you follow me through this door, this is my eldest daughter's bedroom. When Lua was a baby, I definitely feel like I had that sensibility of, I loved things to be really minimal, I love neutrals, I wanted everything to be quite beige. And as Lua has grown up, I feel like my style has evolved, but also it's been such a joy discovering her sense of style and what she loves. And what she's drawn to is playful prints and patterns and brighter colors. I just think it's so gorgeous to be able to have the simplicity and like the minimalism of the stripe, but then kind of be able to switch it up and have the more playful print. I think, you know, every week it feels like you've got a different bed, and to kind of mix and match back with the sheets and the pillow slips is so fun. But as a parent, it's also something I'm so happy to have in my house because I think it's where I get to have a bit of fun too. So it's definitely a win for both of us. So this is our main bedroom. It actually happens to be my favorite room in the house. I think the Sheridan bedding is really front and center and definitely one of our favorite kind of moments in this space. I feel for us as designers, we always kind of want to make sure we get the foundation right. So in this case, it's starting with the really natural kind of flax colored linen bedding. I think everything pairs back so beautifully, and once you get that base right, it really allows your colors and your patterns and your textures, all those accents to really pop.
To me, the quality and the texture of the bedding is really, really important. I love a rich, soft linen. I find them much more relaxing and just a nice feeling to get into.
Rest to me is a moment to sort of unwind and regroup after a big day. We're in a really busy season of life, so rest can be quite fleeting, but I think it's just so important when you can to take those moments to yourself, reset. Yeah, however that looks. Some nights it's a cup of tea or just reading a few pages of my book in bed. Maybe some nights it's a little more indulgent and I might have a bath, or it's taking a moment. It's a little pause.